Students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. First of all, wish you happy new year, children. So before exams, we completed 3 lessons for SA1, and we completed exams also. And we left that fourth lesson, tux paint, children. That fourth lesson I will explain later. Now in fifth lesson, children, editing text in MS Word. In this topic, I already explained selecting the text, how we will select the text with mouse, how we will select, and the shortcut keys to select, shift that one, and how to delete text, okay, and how to undo, redo. This all copying, copy, cut, paste, that also I explained in this lesson in last class. Okay, children, today I am giving notes for this lesson. Okay, all of you see page number 45. Page number 45 you see, children. Here answer time is there. So first we will see section A section. Here tick the correct option given. Here two answers are given. We have to choose one correct option. Okay, the first one is MS Word is one of the most popular spreadsheet word processor software. So spreadsheet software or word processor software? The answer is word processor software because it's a MS Word. So this is a word processor software. Next, the selected text gets highlighted in yellow or blue color. This is in blue color. Next, double click the word to select word or paragraph. If you double click on a word, the word will be selected. Okay, next. See here, fourth one. The undo or redo command helps to reverse the last command. Undo command or redo command? The option is undo command. So undo is the answer. Next, the cut copy command creates a duplicate of the selected text, leaving the original text unchanged. So by using copy command, the text will be left like that only there, and it make another duplicate copy by using this copy command. We all of you know that one. Next, see section B, true or false. Write T for true and F for false statement. The first one is to reverse the last command, click the undo button on the quick access toolbar. The option is true. Okay, next, making changes in the document, correcting mistakes, checking spelling and grammar. True. Next, copying text means to shift the text from one place to another place. This is also true. Next, fourth one, double click the selection bar to select sentence. False. Okay. Next, backspace key is used to delete text of the left of the cursor. The answer is true. Next, see question and answers, children. Section C, question and answers. The first one is write the steps to select a paragraph using mouse. For this question, children, see page number 42. Here is selecting text using mouse. From here onwards, see here fourth point, the selected text gets highlighted. We can see a shade on it in blue or any other color up to here. Okay, children, from here onwards to here, this is the first question answer. Next, children, see the second question. Write the steps to delete a word. For this question, children, see page number 43. Deleting text is there, no? From here onwards. Sometimes we want to delete a text. From here onwards to delete key to delete text to the right side of the cursor. Up to here, children. From sometime onwards to here. This is second question answer. And next, what is third question, children? What is the difference between copying and moving text? For this, see page number 44. Copying text is there, no side heading. In this paragraph, here, the copy commands creates a duplicate of the selected text, leaving the original text unchanged. This point and you have to write this also. First you put side heading copying a text and write this point. Okay. Next put side heading moving a text and write moving is done by cut and paste commands. The cut command deletes the text from its original position. The paste command then places this text at the position where it's required. So put this side heading. Third question answer, children. Put this side heading copying text and write this point. And next in that answer, next put heading side heading moving text and write this answer. So this and this is the third question answer, because they asked no what is the difference between copying text and moving text. So we will write 1 point from copying text and 1 point from moving text. You write down by down, no side by side. Okay. Next, what is the use of undo and redo commands? For this question, children, see page number 44 only. See here, heading is there, no, undo and redo commands. Undo and redo commands. From here onwards, you have to write this full paragraph. Here, the redo command helps to reverse the undo action. To reverse the undo action, click to redo button once up to here. From this side heading onwards to here. This is fourth question answer, children. So these are the question and answers. Next, see hearts here given one question. What are the shortcut keys for undo and redo commands? I already explained in lesson. For undo command, we have to press Control key and press Z at a time. So undo is Control plus Z, redo is Control plus Y. Okay. Next, see here one small activity is given, nothing but of missing letters. Shall we guess what are that? Guess the letters in the blank boxes. Clues are given below. So here first one clue is given. Features that duplicates text from one location and places it another. What is that? Duplicating text. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Next, second one, see. To remove text to the right side of the cursor. Right side of the cursor, which key? Delete key. Left side of cursor, backspace key. Right side of cursor, delete key. D-E-L-E-T-E. Next, to delete a text to be pasted at another location. So what is that? Cut. If you use cut command, the text will be deleted from its original position and it will paste in the another location. From original location to it will replaced into the another location. Okay, children. And this is lab work. Who are having computer, you may try. Who are not having, we will see after that. So what is here? Lab work is given. Create a document in MS Word. So we have to open MS Word program. There you have to type, make a list of 5 your favorite cricketers. Okay. Also include the following data about them in the list. The country they belong to, number of matches played that person, total runs scored, highest ODI score, highest test score and number of wickets taken. If you are having computer, create a document like this. Any 5 cricketers names, that cricketer is in which country and with how many matches played, how many runs scored, what is the highest ODI score and the highest test score. These all you can prepare. Okay. This is not must, children. If you are having computer, you can try. Okay. So now I am going to say how you have to write notes. How you have to write notes? First put the heading. 5th lesson. What is that heading? Editing text in MS Word. After that write this, tick the correct option. Next write true or false. Next question and answers. Next write this hearts also. Okay. Next write this activity time also in your notebook. Up to here you write in notes. Okay, children. 6th lesson I will explain in next class. Now I am closing this class. Complete your notes up to date, children. Okay. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.